are here at the home show because there are a lot of smart people here who have likely moved a time or two.
In an effort to make it perfectly clear how much a U-Box container can hold, we filled this one up to capacity. And now we are going to unpack it for you.
Well, a good room always starts with a great rug.
I'd say that is a queen bed frame and headboard.
I can't believe how much stuff is coming out. These guys know how to pack and unpack.
It's like a fine dance, Teresa.
So this is a decent amount of furniture. Big bed, desk, chair, dresser, accessories.
But wait, there's more. Always put the heaviest items on the bottom. You think that goes without saying, but you would be surprised by how many lamps get put on top of lampshades. It's not pretty. Heavy appliances. Put them in the middle of the box and pack around them. It stabilizes the box, and it's best to have a low, balanced center of gravity. And here's another packing tip. Use pillows, blankets, bedding, and sofa cushions to fill any gaps between items. That keeps things from bouncing around or shifting while in transport. Remember, not everything has to go in a box. A sofa cushion or a quilt in a bag is a great and smart space filler.
Wow.
What did I tell you? A U-Box container can hold a lot, right?
I am impressed. I love U-Box. Nice job. And the great thing is, if you have more stuff, more bedrooms, a family room, a garage, playroom, no matter how much stuff you have, you can order as many U-Box containers as you need.
Another handy tip, you only pay for the containers you use. That's flexibility built right in.
And the best part, you won't be paying top dollar for U-Box. They are so reasonable, the most competitive on the market.
Does anyone want to check out the container before we put it all back?
I do.
All right, come on, let me show you guys.
I just watched those movers take a ton of furniture out of that U-Box container. That was pretty cool. It reminded me of one of those clown cars.
I was actually amazed at how much stuff they were able to fit in that container. I mean, that was more furniture than my first apartment had.
This is perfect for remodeling. I can keep all of my stuff in there during the renovation, and I can keep it in my driveway.